IS485 and 585. I'm Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we'll be covering Chapter 5, Implementation of Strategy on especially ERP. So let's take a look at some of the components for ERP in terms of hardware. So most of us would know that ERP would consist of mainly the server, client, and also other peripherals, where servers are basically the main heart of computing. The software consists of the processor, memory. Client would be end user, which is the staff or employee, which will be using the module. Peripherals could be server, printer, okay, and backup power supply in the event of there's a blackout. As for software, okay, the basic we will require system software such as Microsoft or would be Linux or OS2 or Sun. That's pretty much the OS system. Database consists of, in this case, Oracle or SAP with IBM or Microsoft SQL, and other application software in terms of could be project management, okay, remote access, antivirus, okay, and could be third party too. So take a look at the architecture of ERP. So here we see we have the three levels in this case, with the application level, which consists of the database server, which include batch schedule, reporting, production. So we have third party training and development, and also application server here under a secure network. Okay, as for perimeter firewall, we have the network, in this case storage, printer, reporting interface, and web server, right? And then we have the border router, where it's connected to the internet, business site, and other site. This could be e-commerce, for example. Right? Software component. Here we have a list of potential software. In terms of data management, we have Oracle, Batch Run, BMC control, software compiler, Java, C++, mobile, okay. Extracting tool, more onto could be Python. Here they use Informatica, database, data network, Oracle, web software, WebLogic, Quest, okay, for control and development. Security, this is basically antivirus, McAfee. It could be changed, okay. Email, SMTP, small mail transmitter protocol, okay. Adobe Design for PDF, okay, fax. As for ERP component, we have people resources, end user, basically the employees, client, vendor, IT specialist, someone to take care of the system, network, administrator, operation, trainers, project management, which technically in charge of everything, putting it all together. As mentioned earlier, ERP team includes many other sub-team, which we have functional areas, change management, data integration, training, support. Next, take a look at virtualization, VM. So VM is technically running several machines together, in the virtual space. Okay, this pretty much optimizing the hardware. Um, so it's very critical. Two models are hardware visualization and para visualization. In terms of vendors, okay, as we all know, in terms of ERP, we have Microsoft. Okay, it also runs virtual server and virtual PC. Right? Oracle, same as Microsoft. Okay, they have the Zen open source. Okay, and SAP. Uh, it doesn't have much that function, but it's quite smooth. Okay, so some benefit, it enhance the hardware. Technically, it optimize the hardware in terms of memory, okay, and processing. Okay, and it's very agile, right? Uh, it could be you could be running a project virtually, for example. Okay, and also lower the cost. Okay, uh, and also it enhances the business and continuity. Okay. Some drawbacks. Okay, they tend to overclock or overrun the machine. Okay, it heat helps when peak period, peak load. Okay, when people access from the, for example, 8 to 5 normal working hours, and also security. Okay, take note. Next, we have third-party products, add-ons. These are add-ons uh, to the ERP in terms of integration. Okay, data redundancy, strategic partners, for example, interfacing uh, with other products, middleware, okay, in terms of database and also support. Right? Requirements, okay. Most company organization use ERP for reporting. This is basically to see the performance of the process or project. Okay, it's very robust. Yeah, from all the vendors, and also to in selection. Okay, availability. Okay, is it easy to use? Uh, is it useful? Things like that, and also administration, staffing, and database. Not forgetting approaches, governance. So take note, some components do have things like technical development, installation, function, reports, okay, management, okay, for the ERP, okay, uh, which which work group require to do. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the class today. If you have any question, please email me. Stay safe and do wear mask. Thanks. Bye.